All right, Brandon Teskey from the blues rock band Teskey. Today I'm going to be demoing a couple amps, a 62 Blonde Bassman and a 65 JTM 45. And I'm playing it through my 65 Strat. And the only thing I have in the way of effects is a reverb tank and a old tube screamer.